People, I say, this a mix up here no one no blender people. I say people, me live all the way from England people and go one of my friend wedding at Jamaica. Here right down a St. Ann. One place. Alright, I'm not gonna call the name of the place no. Alright. People, no one ready for the mix up. Me say right down a St. Ann they say no. Matter of fact me I call the name too. Right down a bamboo. Yeah man, right down a bamboo St. Ann. Where even the mango tree know everybody business. So Mandy and Rohan wedding was supposed to be the event of the year. Yes, the resort was booked, the decor was on point, and the jerk chicken aroma was calling out to the ancestors people. Yeah, may I tell you, everything was set out for a perfect day until the mix-up turned up loud. People, as Mandy floated down the aisle in her long imported lace gown and 46-inch Brazilian hair, looking like she stepped out of a fairy tale. Here the crowd no people. For once, Rohan hold on one man me proud of him. But the universe said not today. People, just as the pastor raised his hands and said, if anyone objects to this union, speak now or forever hold your peace. Boom! At the church door that bust open so hard till the pastor have to jump back. May I tell you, people, the only one woman now has scandalous red dress. With her hair laid and her nails well done and her attitude sharp like a machete. Round here she said, Rohan, I say you're wicked. You really are married without tell me. People, the crowd open, everybody in the crowd open with their mouth wide. Somebody fainted in the back. The flowers girl started crying. Mandy nearly choked on her veil. Who she? Mandy asks. Rohan starts sweat like him run a full marathon. Here one Rohan to know. Baby, me can explain. Explain what? Mandy say. What she know about you and me don't? So, everybody silent now and I wonder what go on. All the DJ stop playing film music. Then from the back of the church, people, one old lady now one big church at. Here are, Jesus have mercy. This wedding spoiled. No, sir, people be say this serious. Before Rohan him could I beg for mercy. Me only hear another voice cut through the tension. You think Sherry is bad? Everybody turn on. People, I want a second woman that step forward named Tamika. Tamika, she the dress in her black like she come to go funeral. People, only hear Tamika shout out, Rohan. Oh, you fit tell me last week say you love me and today you're there on altar. Me say the crowd people open them eye wide on their mouth. Mandy, she no fear her face went from confusion to fury. She hold up for her head. How much girl you really have, Rohan? People me only hear the best man start back way. Start say some things and back way slowly like him realize him bet on the wrong team. Rohan him open for him mouth wide. But then know you only hear one third woman walking. Rohan, you really have me a breed up and I marry next woman? Till everybody in the church scream out people. Well, in the church, at the, you call it now, the chapel. What we all call the church, You know, the hotel have a little chapel. Till the wall. Rohan, a real girl, this me only hear somebody ball out. This worse than passa passa. Another person shouted. Rohan